Building has always been about progress. We look for new materials. We search for better ways to build. For over a century, steel and concrete have been the stars. They helped us build taller and faster than ever before. We see them in every city and every modern home. They are the symbols of our industrial age. But now, something quite old is making a surprising return. Architects and builders are looking back in time. They are rediscovering one of the oldest building materials known to humanity: natural stone. It feels like a step backward, but it might just be our biggest leap forward. You might wonder why we would ever go back. Stone seems ancient, heavy, and difficult. Our modern world is built on speed and efficiency. Steel frames go up in days. Concrete can be poured into any shape we can imagine. These materials feel like the future, yet they come with a hidden cost, a very large cost to our planet. The process of making steel and cement releases enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. This is the gas that is warming our world. We have become so used to these materials that we often forget to question them. But as we face bigger climate challenges, we must. So the comeback of stone is not about nostalgia. It is not about trying to live in the past. It is a smart, practical response to a very modern problem. We need to build homes and offices, but we also need to protect our environment. This is the great puzzle of our time. How do we do both? The answer, it seems, could be lying right under our feet. Natural stone is a material that the earth gives us. It does not need to be cooked in a furnace or created through intense chemical reactions. It is simply there, waiting to be used with care and cleverness. This shift in thinking is incredibly exciting. It challenges us to combine ancient wisdom with modern technology. We are not talking about building rough castles or simple huts. We are talking about using stone in new, innovative ways. We can create buildings that are not only beautiful and strong, but also gentle on our planet. It represents a new kind of modernism, one that is connected to nature, not at war with it. It's a quiet revolution in construction, and it is happening right now, proving that sometimes the best new ideas are the ones we have known all along. In London, on the huge site where the old Earl's Court exhibition centre once stood, something special is taking shape. It is called the Stone Demonstrator. This isn't a full building you can live in. It is more like a piece of a building. It's a powerful example. The project was designed to show everyone what is possible. It proves that we can build with natural stone today, and it shows we can do it in a way that is good for the environment. It is a small structure with a very big message. A message for every architect, builder, and homeowner in the country. The numbers behind this project are truly staggering. They tell a clear and simple story about carbon. If you built the same structure with a typical steel frame and brick walls, it would produce over 262,000 kilograms of CO2. If you used a reinforced concrete frame instead, it would still create about 252,000 kilograms. These are huge numbers. They represent the environmental cost of our usual building methods. That is the carbon footprint we have come to accept as normal. But the Stone Demonstrator shows us it does not have to be this way. Now, let's look at the stone structure. The Stone Demonstrator produced only 6,443 kilograms of CO2. That is an incredible difference. It is less than 3% of the carbon emissions from the steel or concrete versions. Think about that for a moment. We could reduce the carbon footprint of our buildings by more than 90%, all by choosing a different material. The stone bricks used have 98% less embodied carbon than fired clay bricks. This is because they are simply cut from the ground. They are not baked in super hot ovens which burn a lot of fossil fuels. This project is a collaboration. It brings together designers, stonemasons, and architects. They are all working together to find a better path forward. They want to show that building with stone is not just a dream. It is technologically achievable right now. It is a real, practical solution to a massive problem. The Stone Demonstrator stands as a bold challenge to the construction industry. It asks a simple question. If we can build this way, why aren't we? It is a piece of the future. built to teach us a lesson from the past. So how does stone get from the ground to a building site? The process today is a mix of old knowledge and new machines. It starts in a quarry. Huge blocks of stone are carefully cut from the earth. We have been doing this for thousands of years, but today we use advanced tools. These tools are often powered by diesel, which does create some emissions. Yet this is still far less than the energy needed to create steel or concrete. The stone for the Earl's sCourt project came from quarries right here in the UK. This also helps reduce the carbon cost of transportation. Once the large blocks are quarried, they are taken to a workshop. Here they are cut into smaller, usable pieces. Companies like the Stonemasonry Company use computer-guided saws. These saws can cut the stone with incredible precision. They can make standard-looking bricks or custom-designed panels. This means stone can fit into modern designs perfectly. It can be made smooth and sleek or left rough and textured. The stone bricks can come in many natural colors. They offer a rich palette that you can only get from nature. It is not a one-size-fits-all material. Experts involved in the project say we could easily scale this up. We could start using stone for many more buildings. We have the technology. With a little investment, we could make stone construction a mainstream choice. It could be an economic and simple way to build without fossil fuels. The biggest hurdle is not technology. It is the huge industries built around concrete and steel. These industries are powerful and have a lot of money invested in the old way of doing things. Changing this will take courage and commitment from everyone. This matters more than ever. The UK government has a goal to build 1.5 million new homes. If we build all these homes using concrete and steel, the impact on our climate will be immense. It would make it much harder to meet our climate targets. But if we choose to build with low-carbon materials like stone, we can build the homes we need and protect the planet at the same time. It is a choice between carrying on as we are or embracing a smarter, older and cleaner way of building for the future. Beyond the carbon numbers, there is another simple truth. Stone is beautiful and incredibly strong. It has a timeless quality. A stone building does not just stand for a few decades, it stands for centuries. Think of the old cathedrals, castles and towns that still inspire us today. They are a testament to the durability of stone. Modern designs can capture this same sense of permanence. Stone can look powerful and solid, or it can be cut thinly to appear light and elegant. It connects a building to its landscape in a way that man-made materials rarely can. This strength and beauty make stone a wonderful choice for the homes we need to build. A home built from stone feels secure. It has a character and texture that plastic or concrete cannot replicate. It ages gracefully, gaining character over time. It doesn't rust or rot. It links a new home to a very old tradition of building. It tells a story of place and material. As we plan for thousands of new homes at places like Earl's sCourt, we have a chance to create neighborhoods with real soul. We can build places that feel like they belong. The push for stone is not about abandoning everything else. It is about adding a vital, low-carbon option to our toolbox. It is about making smarter choices. The stone demonstrator proves that it is possible. It shows that our ancestors were onto something. They used the materials they found around them. We can do the same, but with the benefit of modern tools and design knowledge. The main obstacle is our own mindset. We need to break free from the habit of only reaching for steel and concrete. We need to be more creative. So the next time you see a new building going up, think about what it is made of. Ask yourself about its hidden cost. The comeback of stone is more than a trend. It is a necessary revolution. It is an invitation for all of us, architects, builders, and future homeowners, to think differently. We have an opportunity to build a better world, a world with beautiful, lasting buildings that do not cost the earth. Let's encourage this change. Let's start building a greener future, one stone at a time.